Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are doing some organic green carpet cleaning today out in Happy Valley, Oregon. We are at an apartment, so let's go ahead and do a quick walkthrough what we're going to be cleaning up. As you can see, the floors are extremely soiled. I think they moved out. There was no vacuuming. There was no nothing. So what it is just a standard little, probably 750 square foot 2-bedroom apartment. I'm going to get this all cleaned up. We will be using our 4-phase cleaning system, which includes phase 1 is a good pre-vacuum to get this stuff off, get as much of this debris out of here as possible. Statistically, according to IICRC, you're looking at, with a good vacuum, you're looking about getting close to 80% of all the dry debris out of the carpeting, so it does a really good job. Moving into phase 2, we're going to use our fiber-specific pre-spray, this being polyester carpeting. We're going to be using a product that is specifically geared for polyester carpeting and getting that oil-loving stuff fairly, decently rinsed and cleaned pretty good. Phase 3, agitation process, we'll be using a CRB, or counter-rotating brush machine, to agitate the carpets very well with the cleaner that we're going to be using. And then finally, we will be hooking up the hoses, running lines in, and doing some hot water extraction for phase 4. So it's a very thorough type of cleaning. And as we can look around here, there really isn't any really big noticeable stains. So I think it's going to be a pretty straightforward clean without any additional extra anything, except that there potentially is going to be rust, judging by kind of this outlay here. There was probably a bookshelf or something here, and that's my guess, is maybe that was a foot of something that was sitting there, got some rust, something spilled, and who knows, it might not be rust. But anyways, treating rust is easy enough, so if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Move on. Upon completion of the pre-vacuum that we did of phase 1, what we were able to accomplish was the removal of an entire Kirby bag of debris, and it's actually filled above the 100% fill line. Up above, you can feel all kinds of like light dust, probably lint and all kinds of stuff up there. I tried shaking it down as much as I could just so it would appear better in the camera's view, but it is up above that line, so probably fill that bag up at least 100%, maybe 105 to 110%, and that was just in a 2-bedroom apartment. So the pre-vacuum is extremely crucial and critical, especially in VLM cleaning. And because we do a hybrid kind of approach, I try to get as much of this debris out of the carpeting as possible, because according to my reasoning and theorizing, the more of this stuff that you get out of the carpet, the less wear and tear is actually occurring to it as you're walking on it. And sure, the hot water extraction is probably going to get some of that out, but imagine this bag, if we just dumped that bag back out on the carpet and we just got it all wet and turned it into a big soupy muddy mess. That's pretty much what's happening when you're getting carpets extremely wet and exposed to all the nasties that are in the carpeting. So my thought is, hey, why not remove it if a vacuum cleaner is going to remove it first? So there you go. Go with it or don't. That's just my thought. Okay, you saw the before video. I did the walkthrough at the beginning of this particular segment or clips that we're doing today. Now, I wanted to go through and show you, this is just VOM. All we did was agitate, put down our product, and agitated. Notice how all the spots and stains are out, completely obliterated. Even stuff that I thought may have been rust over here pretty much came completely out using our low pH products that we use. So this here is a pretty good testament that you don't have to go high pH on absolutely everything. I think we probably want to a max of maybe 9 or 9.5 pH on everything in here. And then of course, you know, once you start adding some peroxide to your cleaner, I have absolutely no idea how low it lowers that pH, but it doesn't affect the cleaning ability, at least if it does affect it at all. It doesn't affect it a noticeable amount because it does produce the kind of results that I'm looking for. So, and it turned out really good. Now I am going to call this a stopping point. I haven't done any extraction in here yet. I'm going to go grab some lunch and then I'll come back and we'll probably knock this guy out in here in about 15 or 20 minutes.